Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Swarag Beauty Channel. When we have a wall that's a long wall like this, it's a tall space where you need to paint, and if we have dents, scratches or anything on the wall, we try to ensure that we are not overburdening ourselves with having to fix and paint the entire wall, because the top section of the wall is perfectly fine. If you notice, there's nothing on the top section of the wall, while the bottom section, we had a number of dents. Either was made when furnitures were taken upstairs, whatever may be the case, right? So we've found a new way to address this problem. Some of you might already be doing that. Just section the wall. It's meant to be a design. Just make sure that it's straight and put some glue tape around the border. Use this product, it's called plastic wood. So we fix it up, so we fill in the cracks, dents, and whatnot, and then let it dry, and we scrape off any excess product. Paint from that point forward. That's exactly what I did with this wall. It's there's no way I'm going to put myself in a situation where I have to do this whole thing. We purchased, I think, what was it? Quicksilver or something, paint from Walmart. All I'm doing is just painting it. Because it's a smaller section, I only have a small roller and a brush. I think that is enough for me. Even though it's annoying, frustrating with having to use the blue tape, for situations like this, I don't think it's avoidable. And you are spending some time up front, but it ultimately makes your job easier and you don't have to worry about this. The blue tape is going to protect from all the imperfections. So this is what I'm doing. I want this wall to be fully dry right after my multiple coats before I remove the blue tape. So I do not want to prematurely remove it until everything is said and done. So this section of the wall needs a couple more coats. This section of the wall as well, I think, would need a couple of coats. But then once it's all done, you zoom out, it's gonna look nice. But I wanted to share this method that we recently found out ourselves. And as we take tours of model homes, we've seen a number of homes where they do this. There's some kind of a design, multicolored wall, and it looks beautiful. It looks well put together. So hope you like this video. If you have any comments, please share them. And if you've done this before for your home, let me know.